Right, bro. Got it all unboxed here, mate. Just wondering, bro, what tips should I start with, mate? One of them two? Just to practice some burning undercuts under the eyes and stuff. I don't know what all these, I've seen these, there's like wee ball tips, and there's ones that look like wee fucking knives. I'm sure they're probably for shading and shit. That one looks like I could maybe draw with that, but there's a wee ball on that one, but I don't know what you would recommend, bro. I've seen just carve Rob and Jordy and all sort of use ones that shape. You say to use one of them too, bro? Alright, bro. I found this wee tip. See this wood burning tip here, bro? I've seen a video online that shows you that's what you do, really light shadows. And if you double it up and double it up, you can create good shadows. So all I've been doing is looking at this guy's head just as a wee reference image. And this is what I've got so far, bro. Just from fucking about with that wee pen, mate. So I'm gonna keep looking at this dude and keep burning on this here, and we'll see how it goes. I'll probably set the camera up, do a wee time lapse maybe, bro. But fuck me, look at the smooth of that for shading, bro. Good shit, mate. There we go, bro. Give me a couple of highlights, mate. Gonna do another one here soon, but that's not bad. What are we fuck about? Okay, bro. There we go, bro. That's my bit of wood I found. Gonna sand it really smooth. And that's what's going on it. Yeah. See how this goes, bro. Sure. Did you see more, bro?